Welcome, please, Linda Ronstadt.
Linda was the queen. She was like what Beyonce is now.
Linda was a very determined woman.
I knew she was going to be a big star.
Linda is such a perfectionist. She's a pain in the ass sometimes.
She was the only female artist to have 5 platinum albums in a row.
Winner is Linda Ronstadt.
It was like, bang.
Yeah, baby. She was the first female rock and roll star.
Try following Linda Ronstadt every night.
But people didn't notice the difficulty of being a woman, trailblazing, and having the success of a Mick Jagger.
The rock and roll culture seems to be dominated by hostility against women. What happens is that they lose the ability to focus on themselves as a person rather than as an image, you know?
I've been cheated. There was a certain amount of banding together with women.
Linda had a lot to do with lifting me up.
We were throwing away all those conventions.
When we heard our voices, it was like a high like you've never felt.